Team battle. Ready? Round one, go! Game. Victory! Congratulations! Round two, go! Super Solid Deck, go! Blue team wins!
Good morning, SK. I'm Tehani Lafotu.
And I'm Emmy Johnson. As you can see by today's Open, it was a great weekend for Seattle sports.
Speaking of sports, there are a few things coming up in the world of sports right here at South. If you're interested in playing a winter sports, you must have all your athletic paperwork and physicals turned into the athletics office so you can get your pink slip by November 18th to be eligible to play. Men's basketball tryouts will start on next Monday, November 18th, and will go through Wednesday, November 20th.
Ladies Basketball Open Gym will take place on Tuesday and Thursday this week from 2:30 to 4:30 p.m. Tryouts will take place next Monday and Tuesday from 2:45 to 5. Make sure that you have all your athletic forms in and bring your pink slips to tryouts. If you are interested in playing baseball, the preseason meeting for parents and players is tomorrow in Stage 2 at 6 p.m. Now in college news, the ASVAB test will be given here tomorrow. If you are interested in taking the test, sign up in the Career Center as soon as possible.
Also tomorrow, a rep from Arizona State University will be here in the Career Center at 8:55 a.m. And on Friday, a rep from the University of Arizona will be here at 1:30 p.m. If you're interested in attending either of these presentations, pick up a pass from the Career Center.
Rolling on over to some general news, any juniors taking AP or IB English this year, there will be a peer tutoring session tomorrow from 2 to 3 p.m. in the library for anyone who needs some help with how bridging. If these sessions are well attended, they will be offered regularly. If you are a sophomore, junior, or senior and you like working with kids, South Colby Elementary is looking for camp counselors. If you are interested, pick up a packet in the guidance office. Applications are due on November 22nd. Well, Tehani, I think that it would be a great time to share some club news.
I think you're right, Emmy. There's a new club here at South, the Next Generation Politics Club. This is a nonpartisan organization that works to engage youth in government and encourage the next generation to become politically active. They will meet on the second and fourth Tuesday of each month.
With that, the clubs meeting today are D&D, Next Generation Politics, French, and Key Club.
And meeting tomorrow is Skills USA Math, Speech and Debate, GSA, and Flight. If you're still not sure about what club to join, maybe this can help you decide.
Welcome to D&D, the biggest club South has to offer. D&D is the biggest fantasy role-playing game to date. The game has 13.5 million players worldwide. D&D is all about creativity, going on a different journey every time you play, all while having fun with your friends. It doesn't matter if you want to be a barbarian, a ranger, or just a fighter. When playing D&D, the creativity is left to you and your friends, and some lucky dice rolls, to create a great adventure. There are so many reasons to join D&D Club, so head down to the pit in the comments after school every Tuesday to join all of the fun in playing D&D.
Clubs are a great way to get involved in our schools, so go out and join a club today.
Well, Emmy, I think we finished sharing the news for today.
I think you're right about that one, Tehani.
Have a terrific Tuesday, SK.